Gonna try wax boiling some of these IMS inductive switches. Wish me luck. Alright, broken off stem. You're the test bit. Good luck, buddy. Look at him dancing around in there, having a good time. Got him out with no noticeable warping. Seems safe to boil these. Housing and broken stem, you're up. Alright, and they're done. So far, so good. Glug, glug, glug. Decanted. Assembling. Verdict. I used too much wax, so now it's a little... But other than that, it's pretty good. Although the ferrite doesn't want to stay, now that's on the floor. Overall, these are wax boilable, and I'm pretty happy with the restoration. I just need some sealing wax to stick that ferrite on there, or something.